Hello everyone, welcome to Caroline's Craft Tree. I just wanted to share with you a short little video on a few of the latest digital kits that I have. And here is Gallagher's cigarettes, tea cards. They're all bird themed. And you get 40 cigarette cards. They're about 1.5 inches by 2.5 inches, depending on your printer settings. But these all have birds and the name of the birds, etc. So the set has 2 pages full. So there is that one. Then here is some hummingbird tickets. I really like how these turned out. They will be good for so many themes and whatnot. So there is 20 tickets. So there is that one. I can offer these as printed. So any of my digital kits, if you need them printed, please message me through Etsy or Facebook, and we can arrange for that. So then I got these here, and these are vintage Tucks and Sons. They made a lot of cards and whatnot back in the day. Now these are from the late 1800s, early 1900s. And these are actually Christmas, but they're not Christmas pictures on them. So these were actually more like a postcard type thing. So you can see here in the writing, Happy Christmas to you, and then a little saying. And then the back where somebody has written, etc. So you get 2 versions of these. You get the original scans with the Christmas greetings and whatnot. The way I've placed them on the cards is when you print them out, you can fold them, and then you have the back that went with the card. So you could leave it like this and use all the journaling in there, or you could just glue that together and then make it more into a postcard type. So here's another one that, and I just printed a tea-dyed paper on the inside, because I was thinking I'm going to leave mine kind of as a card shape for journaling inside. Just tuck it into a pocket. And as you can see, these are not really Christmas themed pictures on these cards. So these are some that I have cleaned up. So here is a page. It's the same one, but with the writing. So you've got your Christmas one, but then you've got the one which I've cleaned up, taken off the writing, so then you can use them as any occasion or in any journal. Now these are all cat themed, so let's just go through them. So here is that one. And again, not really Christmas themed. Here is this one here that I did up. So I thought it would just be a nice little extra bonus to clean the images up, so then you could use them for any occasion. Can't remember how many there is of them all. We'll count them in a second. but so cute. I really like how they print out. So there is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. So you get 12 cards with the original writing and whatnot on them, and then you get the same 12 cards where I have removed anything Christmas related. So then you can use them anywhere. But I like how they have the backs to it, so then you can like fold it and use it as a journal card. You could even use it as a greeting card of some kind. And it just increases how you can use them. So there is that. Now these will be under journaling cards in the shop. And then of course the other ones will be under the ticket and tea cards section. I hope you like these, and we'll see you again soon. Bye.